Becky, thank you very much. And we're senior fellows because of our age, not because of anything else. And it just reminded me, we started becoming involved with the ITI and doing teaching for the ITI Australasian group, as we informally called ourselves back then, in 1998. So that was last century, Anthony reminds me. So, and certainly things have changed a great deal, not least of which is all the digital stuff that's going on, completely blown away by what was being shown today. But one thing hasn't changed, though, and that's working as a team. So the whole concept of teamwork, the ITI, it's in the name of the ITI, and also the theme of the conference today, it's teamwork. And so we will continue with what the other presenters gave you today. I think we started off with the fully edentulous cases, those failing dentitions, and then we moved into the minutiae of the single teeth. And now another case type that is incredibly challenging for us to work with, and this is the extended edentulous space in the anterior maxilla. Because it doesn't matter which way you cut it, it's very difficult to get a perfect result when you have post-extraction dimensional changes that result in soft tissue, hard tissue discrepancies. And to throw into that, as you can see on the screen, this is an asymmetric space. It's not a symmetrical space. So that lateral incisor is still there. And when you start to get asymmetric problems compounded with extended edentulous spaces, the challenges are exponential, I think, in terms of management. So I'm very pleased to be able to talk a little bit about some of the anatomical and surgical considerations. Do you want to start the timer? Otherwise, I'll continue talking for the next 2 hours. Just in case. Thank you. Just to be fair on my colleagues. So I'll start off by talking about some of the anatomical and surgical aspects of this and then hand over to Anthony for his next bit.